Zoneke, ZKM Series 3-axis and 5-axis servo-driven manipulator. The motion structure installed precision bearings more stable and durable. All linear guide air tack, low noise, more accuracy, and low friction coefficient. Vertical stroke 600 to 3000 millimeters. Traverse stroke 1200 to 4000 millimeters. Innovance motors as standard, fast response, and speed up to 6000 RPM. The accuracy reached plus or minus 0.1 millimeters and load range from 2 kilograms to 50 kilograms. Dry cycle time less than 8 seconds. The Nittick retarder, stable grasping, and large output torque. Multifunctional touchscreen controller, high system openness, easy operation, multi-languages supported. Zoneke empower the manufacturing intelligent.